Hello dear students, welcome back to the online class. In the previous class we discussed about types of crystalline solids like ionic solids, covalent solids, molecular solids and metallic solids. Today we going to know about crystalline, lattice and unit cells. Okay. First, solids. What is the meaning of solids? It is a regular type of structures. Like what? The solids are regular type of structures and the molecules or atoms or ions are close to each other. Okay? So, crystal lattice. What is the definition of crystal lattice? It is a regular three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particles in a space is called crystal lattice. Students, see here, regular three-dimensional arrangement. What's the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional? Yes, two-dimensional means the two-dimensional we can observe on the surfaces like paper. This is a 2D dimensional. It can be observed only the length and breadth. Only two possible we can observe in the 2D dimensional. Let me say surface on the paper, look like the papers. Okay, only length and breadth. But our 3D dimensional means we can observe both length, breadth and height also. Okay, this is one of the cube will be taken. This is a face. This is on the edges, and this point we call as what? Corners. Okay, students, this is a 3D structure, this is a 2D structure. Okay, solids of the regular structure. Okay, crystal lattice means regular 3D dimensional arrangement of a constituent particles like atoms, ions or molecules in a space. Space only now arrangement agide adike enanta kariತೀವಿ crystal lattice anta kariತೀವಿ. Okay, students. So, in a crystal lattice, see here, these are the point. This is called what? Lattice points. Okay, what's the meaning of lattice point? Let me tell. The lattice points. Either we call it crystal lattice or space lattice anta kuda kariತೀವಿ. So, lattice point means in a crystal lattice, the constituent particles were represented in a point. Point alli ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Lattice point. These are the, see, this is the lattice points. Okay? One of the point, either atom, either molecule, either ions. Okay, so in a Bravais lattice, 14 Bravais lattice will be observed. I will be explained later. So in this 14 Bravais lattice, so what are the characteristics of crystalline lattice? Characteristics in a Bravais lattice, either crystalline lattice, characteristics. Number one, each point in a crystal lattice we called as lattice point. Okay. Number two, these are the lattice points. Number two, the each of the points, it is arrangement are called as ions, atoms, or molecules. Okay, students, in arrangement of a crystal, the points we called as ions, either atoms or molecules. The third point, in a 2 points, any 2 points joining with a straight line, it may forming one of the crystal form. See, this is one of the point and another point will be joined, same like this is one of the point will be straight line, joined to get this is and this is and this is. This is called one of the unit cell or crystal. Overall we call it as crystal. This is called what? Unit cell. So, joined with the straight line by the 2 points, will get a geometry signal. Okay? Not this one. Geometry will be obtained. Okay? So straight line observe ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we can get one of the geometry will be observed. This is called what? Unit cell. So, some more unit cell will be mixed together to get a joining one more point to get what? Another one of the crystal will be formed. Same like continuation. Okay. Now going to explain about unit cell. This unit cell andre enu anta tilkondi. Isn't students? Lattice point means in a crystal of a points we represented is called as lattice points. Okay. So these are the 3 important characteristics of crystal lattice or various lattice. So next we move on to the unit cells. Unit cell, already observed it. This is the unit cell. How did you explain about unit cells? Yes. This is the definition is one of the crystal ಅಂದ್ರೆ space ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ smallest portion of the crystal and smallest portion of a crystal and different direction of arrangement and also different direction of arrangement with repeated cells. A cell repeated agate. This is the definition of unit cell. Okay, let me explain one of the example you taken. Some of the building construction like bricks. Okay, bricks ಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ನ ನಾವೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ considered as a brick as one of the unit cell. That type of bricks will be arranged to get one of the building will be constructed. That is called what? The building is a crystal lattice. The one of the brick is considered as a unit cells. Clear students? This is the difference between crystal lattice and unit cells. So unit cell is a crystalline lattice of a smallest portion that is in a different direction, all the direction, repeated units. Okay, this is called what? Unit cells. What are the characteristics of unit cells? Yes, the characteristics of unit cells are two characteristics of unit cell. See here, students, this can be written here also. So this is called what? A. This is called what? B. And this is called what? C. This is A, this is B, this is C. So the A opposite direction we called as alpha, B opposite direction of angles, this is called what? Beta. C opposite direction, it is called what? Gamma. So this is gamma, this is beta, and this is alpha, this is beta. Okay students, so let me check about the characteristics of unit cell on the basis of parameters. Parameters na base ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So how many edges will be observed? 3 edges we can observe. Which are those? A, B and C. A, B, C. These are the 3 edges. And 3 angles also. 3 angles. First one what? Alpha between B and C. Okay. Next one is beta. This is between A and C. And gamma. This is between A and B. Okay, students. This is about 3 edges and 3 angles of total 6 parameters we can observe in the unit cells. Which are the 6 parameters? A, B, C, 3 edges, and alpha, beta and gamma, 3 angles. This can be observed in the one of the unit cell. One unit cell containing 6 parameters. Okay students. Next, in this unit cells, they can classify 2 categories. Which are those 2 categories? Unit cells classified 2 categories. First one, 2 types: primitive unit cell, and second one, centered unit cell. Okay students, so first one, primitive unit cells. What is the meaning of primitive unit cells? Yes, in which constituents, particles or Bernoulli points. What are those? Lattice points in which constituent particles are lattice points present only on the corners. Okay students, we observe one of the cube or crystal unit cell. Constituent particles, atoms, ions or molecules present only on the corners. This is a cube containing corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Will be observed 8 corners. Okay students, this is about primitive unit cells. 8 corners ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ 8 lattice points ಗಳನ್ನು observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Can one of the primitive unit cell containing 8 lattice points. Okay students, then what about the centered unit cells? Yes, centered unit cells in which constituent particles or lattice points present on the corners ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, and one or more constituent particles present any position. Clear students? Centered unit cell means present on the corners and also along with other position. Anyway, this is called what? The centered unit cells. So you have the position ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? centered unit cells. In these centered unit cells, further classifies three types. Which are those three types? Classified three types. First one is body centered unit cell, and second one is face centered unit cell, and last one is end centered unit cell, and also one more is the edge center, but this will be neglected because of confusions of so many edges. Then three main important types: body centered unit cell, face centered unit cell, and last one end centered unit cell. Let me know about first one, body centered unit cell. Centered unit cells, already you know that present constituent particles on the corners and other positions. So one cube, consider how many corners are present? 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 corners. I mean say 8 lattice points. And the term said body centered, in which the constituent particles present on the corners and along with the its center of the body. Center of the body. One of the atom is present, center of the body. One atom is present. Total 9 lattice points present in body centered unit cell. This is called body unit, centered unit cells. So, next one, face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell, you consider any type of cube. Okay? One cube anna consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ first one face, second one face, third, fourth, fifth and below 6. Any cube you taken, 6 faces can be observed, right? So face centered unit cell explained. This is in which constituent particles present on the corners and along with the each of the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the corners, and each faces present 1 particles. Total 6 faces containing 6 constituent particles. So face centered unit cell means constituent particles present on the corners and along with the each faces. So this is one of the face, consider 1. This is one of the face, consider 2. This is consider 3. This is considered 3, fourth one, and below position 1 more particles, and below position, upper position 1 of the particles. Total 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, front and back. Okay, total we can consider face centered 6 units and 6 atoms. So 8 corners and 6 faces. Total how much? 14 lattice point can observe in a face center. What about the end center? End center means same 8 points, 8 corners of constituent particles, and along with the opposite faces, either alternate faces we present in the further constituent particles, either up or down, either left or right, upper level, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ or below, or left or right. The alternative faces, this is a upward, this is a downward. Downwardly one of the atoms ಇದೆ and upwardly one of the atoms ಇದೆ. Total 8 corners and plus 2 faces, that make what? 10 lattice point we can observe in the end centered unit cells. Okay students, this is about centered unit cell types. Just remember of these terms very carefully. And the next class we discuss about Bravais lattice, some 7 important systems.